my name's Carrie, and I am the proud owner of a new Earflo device. A little bit of background about why I just purchased this new Earflo. My son Jack is 6 years old, and I could tell that he wasn't fully hearing all the range of sounds that he ought to be hearing, just because he tends to, get recurring ear infections and be congested, and I just felt like there was fluid in his ears that wasn't going away. So a couple of weeks ago I took Jack to a pediatric audiologist, and she confirmed that while he could hear, on the nerve level, that his ears were full of fluid and that wasn't allowing him to hear properly. So because I wanted to give something else a try before we went to the option of getting ear tube surgery, I purchased an Earflo. So we're trying an Earflo today with Dr. Santa Maria and with my son Jack, and I wanted to show you a little bit about what the device looks like when you first get it. So you get this nice box. It lists the contents on the front. You open the box. That comes with the charging cord that lives right here. This is the cup. It comes with an additional mask, but it comes with a mask already placed right on it. You charge the motor on the back of the device with your regular USB-C charger. You turn the cup on and you fill it with water. This is just a cap. And then the device looks like that. This is the nose mask that goes into the nostrils when the child or patient starts using it. And there's the straw, and that's kind of what it looks like when you first get it. And I'll take it apart so you can see the motor stays out, and then these two pieces are dishwasher safe.
Go on here. Oh, feel that? It's a little rocket. Feel the rocket? It's a little ready launch. Can you see the rocket? What he's doing? What is he doing there?
Flying?
Yeah, he wants to launch, isn't he? He's got his little flame out. So you skip here. Then, when the treatment count will increase when you achieve a successful treatment, right? So the rocket is ready to launch. So the way to get the rocket to launch is this is a little drinking cup. So you got to put this in your nose. So you got to, I won't do it because I don't want to mess up your cup. You put it in here, and that goes in your nose. You form a little seal like you got a little cushion in there. And you try to get the water from there. And you can see if you can make the rocket move. You want to have a go? All right. You want me to have a go? Or you want to have a go? Okay. All right. That's it. To see. Yeah, that's it. So as you drink from it, you got to push just a little gentle into the rocket. See? Yeah. Are you getting water out of there? Yeah. That's it. Oh, see the rocket? You push further in. You push further in. You see the rocket go. Oh, here. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. There you got it. Can you do it again? That's it. A little bit more. There you go. Number 2. Can you get 5 stars? Let's see. That's it. 3 stars. Only 2 more to go. 4. Oh, you're a pro already. That was easy. And okay, get that rocket. 5. You did it. How does it feel?
Loud?
Loud? Already? Which ear? Both ears are loud? You can put it down. You don't have to do it anymore. That was 1 treatment. Does that feel funny?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me what it feels like.
Like a cushion maybe?
Like a cushion? Yeah? And what does the air feel like in the nose?
I don't know.
What do your ears feel like?
Like kind of loud.
Really loud?
Mm-hmm.
The volume's gone up. It's like someone turned off the TV? Yeah. What else do you want to tell me about it?
It kind of feels a little funny in your nose.
Yeah. What about the rocket? Do you think that was easy or hard?
Easy.
Yeah, because the first couple of times were a little challenging, but you got it really quickly. And then by the 4th or 5th time, you were a pro. Yeah. And so, if you go in here, you can go down here, and this this tracks your progress. So if you want to tell your mum or your dad, see, on Friday you got 5 stars. And so later today you just need to get another 5 stars. You can do it when you get home, or do it tonight. And then when you go down here, you can start to earn rewards. So you see here, you're got the first star. And as you use it every day, you can chase the monsters, these little monsters, you can chase them around the galaxy. Alright? And you only have to do this for 2 weeks, but it sounds like it's already making a difference. Yeah?
What did the Earflo feel like when you first started using it?
Funny. Pretty funny.
Did it feel funny because air was going up into your nose?
Mm-hmm.
Can you describe what it felt like?
Like really like a lot of air is pushing in your nose.
Did it hurt or did it feel just like a tickle?
Just tickled.
Yeah. How do your ears feel now?
I can hear stuff really loud. Like better. A lot better.
Did you notice that you could hear well immediately? Yeah.
Yeah.